Leetcode problem 66 plus 1. So for this problem, we are giving array digits. So inside it's going to be just digit numbers, and we need to return the array 1, this digit plus 1. So for example, it is 1, 2, 3, and this is 3 gonna plus 1, it's gonna become 124. So this is the basic idea. Yeah, so where each digit I is the ith digit of the integer. So this is the there's digit first and the so this is the first digit, second, and the third digit. So the digits are ordered from the most significant to the least significant in the left to right order. So from the left it is the most significant, and at the right it is the least significant. So for example, if it is like 123, we just need to increase this 3 by 1. It's going to be 124. Yeah. So the basic idea is maybe we don't need to change the original digits array. If it is 103, we don't need to change it. We just need to plus with the least significant digit. It is okay. But there are other cases. So for example, 199. So for this situation, if we were to increase 1 at the least significant digit, it is here. So 1 plus 9, it is going to become 0. But here we have a carry, it is 1. So here going to become 0. And here going to become 2. So in this situation, we didn't change the length of the digits array, but all the digits are changed. As we can say, 199, this is 200. So another situation is we have 999. So if we plus 1, it's going to become 1000. So we change the length of the original array. So the condition is that if we were to change the length of the digits array, so this number must be something like 999 or 9 or 99, something like this. Yeah. So in this way, we will not need a carry to solve the problem, even though we can use a carry. But still, if we are not using the carry to solve the problem, it's going to become easier. So if this the final result is like 1000 or 100, so definitely we need to increase the array, and the result would be something like 100. Another situation is we don't need to increase the length of the digits array, so the final array going to be just plus 1. It can be something like 124, or it can be something like 200. Yeah. So we just need to handle the case how can we plus 1. Yeah. So if we plus 1, so for this situation, if 3 plus 1, it is 4, it is okay. But what if this number is 9? If 9 plus 1, it's going to become 0. We just need to handle this case. If it is 8 plus 1, it is okay. It's going to become 9, and we just need to return the digits array after 8 plus 1. If it is less than 9, it is okay. But if it is 9, we need to set it to 0. So this is just how we're going to solve it. Yeah. So I'm going to define an integer n, going to be the length of the digits array. Minus 1. Yeah, let's just use the length of the digits array. So for int I gonna equal to n minus 1, so we're gonna check the least significant digits, I more than or equal to 0, and I minus minus. So currently we just need to check on this digit. So if digit I is less than 9, it is okay. We just need to update it. So we're gonna use plus 1 and just return the digits array. So this is the first case if everything is okay. But if it is not, if this number is 9, so if this digit is less than 9, it's okay. Okay, we just need to plus 1 and return the final result. If it is not, we just need to update this digit I to be 0, and we're gonna continue for the next loop. Maybe it is less than 9 and we're going to return it. But what if it is just something like 1000 or 100? It means the length of the digit is going to change. So we're going to define another array. So we're going to define an integer array. So let me set it as result. It's going to be new int n plus 1. So the length is going to increase by 1. And in this situation, all the numbers is set with 0. But for the first for the left side, the most significant, we need to set it by 1, and we need to return the final array. Yeah. Now let me just run it to check if it works. As you can see, it works, and now let me just submit it. As you can see, it passed for all testing cases, and it's pretty fast. And the time complexity is just O(n). N is the length of the array. As we can see, it is just 100. So everything gonna be okay for this problem, because there's no any leading zeros inside of the array, so we don't need to handle that kind of case. I think that's all about it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.